Hello, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I'm gonna show you how to improve your camera settings on Google Pixel 10 Pro phone. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to open obviously the camera app on your Google Pixel. I apologize for bad looking of the camera because as you see right now I need to show you the functions only and not the usage of camera by itself. So here you see this left corner bottom function with gear. It's the settings, photo settings of your camera. So opening it, you'll see two options, General and Pro, and you'll have a lot of different functions to toggle and to play with too if you want to enhance your camera experience. So here you, for example, can change the so-called top shot. What it is? Taking the question mark, it will give you the specific instructions and showing the short video of how to use it and what it actually does. And as you can see, when basically it's turned on auto regime during the photos, it will give you the yellow corners, which will give you an understanding that a shot is really good one. And after taking this photo in your gallery, you will see that system recommends this photo as a really good so-called top shot. After it, you can also change the motion photo. Basically, your photo will be movable and not just a static one. So you can also adjust it to auto or just to on or off completely. You can create a timer with 3, 5 or 10 seconds. You can do a macro focus if you're interested in taking a really high resolution detailed photo of some small object with really details. So again, auto or just turned on. You can change the ratio of your image, 16:9 or just 4:3. You can also enhance the night sight or flashlight and go into Pro function. Here we've got the resolution type, so you've got 12 megapixels or you've got 50. Also an interesting thing is the different file types, so not just the JPEG, which is normal file type for photos, but you can also switch it to RAW, which will take more space of your photos but will be greater for some detailed photos, for example. And of course also lens selection, whether you wanna to have full control over your lens and you want not just to make automatic switches of your lenses but to make them manual. And that's basically all of the functions. Here you can also see more camera settings as like location, you can take framing hints, grid type, you've got a lot of different things like video stabilization, timer light, etc. So if you want to really enhance your usage, improve your usage of camera on Pixel 10 Pro phone, you can freely do this, and that's basically how you do this using these camera settings. Thank you for watching this video, subscribe to our channel and check our new updates. I'll see you in the next video.